Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Apologies for the huge gap which I took for my personal reasons. I had some other investments but here I'm back with another unboxing video, and this is all about a product which I got from my office recently. Let me show it to you. So over here, and this is the Logitech Zone wireless headset. Let's get deep into it. Here it is, Logitech Zone wireless Bluetooth, and it also has the sensor with a Type-C dongle. So here is the C. Let's do this quickly. All right. Oh, it says a lot of things here. Made for iPhone, iPad, certified for Microsoft Teams, Logitech Zone wireless. The actual price, I'm not sure what is the price, but I believe you should be able to get it for about 20,000 something. Let's see actually what is else on the box. All right, it says in the box you have headphones, you have USB-A, you have USB-C cable adapter, USB-A to USB-C for charging, a pouch, and documentation. And this is a recyclable box. It says Logitech over here, and let's see what all is written on the back. Is the price written here anywhere? Price. I'm not able to find it, so let be. All right. 2 years limited hardware warranty, and this is how the box looks, guys. All right, here it is, Logitune. So you have to, we'll be downloading Logitune app eventually in the full review, and I'll be doing that. All right. Woo. It says so many instructions. Let me just roll it over. One sec, guys. Yeah. Just see this. All the instructions, 1A, 1B, 2, 3, 4A, 4B. What all it supports. So this is the Bluetooth connectivity, this is the sensor connectivity to the laptop. This talks about, I think, the microphone. Yeah, the microphone can rotate both the sides. So if you are a left microphone person or a right microphone person, you can use this. This is good. These are the touch controls. Sorry, not the touch controls, but the button controls. The buttons are on the right ear cup, I believe. And a cable to charge, and this is Qi wireless charging, wireless support, so it supports wireless charging as well. So if you have a wireless charger, you can just place it like this, and the indication is over here. All the instructions there. Let me put it down the back. All right, here. Oh, okay. Let's open this. These are very lightweight, and whoa, these are very soft. This cushion is very soft, and these are the grated thread bands. The microphone, as you can see. So this can be your right side or left side as per your choice. And there is a button on this. Not sure what this button is for, maybe for muting or something. Teams call, you can pick up the call from here. So if you are using the microphone and if you put it like this, it becomes mute. So that feature is also there. Then you have plus minus button for volume, and there should be some other buttons here. All right, there is a Bluetooth power indication mostly, and there is ANC button. So this headphones has ANC, guys, so that is one plus point. Oh, and okay, I was wondering what is this. This is the adjustment, and this is how you have that adjustment like this. I was wondering what is this. All right, and possibly this is that touchpad, the wireless charger. So you just need to keep it like this, and this locks. So this, like, it fits in a small pouch, I guess, which is supported. It is easy to carry and good, nice. Let's see what. Oh, this I missed. This is also very soft. The top headband says Logi here. Nice, good quality build, guys. So let me keep this aside and let's see what all we have in the box. as we all know, actually saw it. This is the sensor, actual sensor, and nowadays as all the laptops are getting type A to all the type C ports, so my laptop has all type C ports, and this you can just put it like this, and then this type C goes into your laptop. So oh, nice. Let me keep this aside actually. Alright, you have a pouch and you have this small lock. Nice. This is a Logi, says Logi pouch, and this is a manual paperwork, and mostly the warranty information and everything is here. And this pouch is nice actually. It has a lock, so very small, easy to carry whenever you go, not like the Bose and Sony's, the top end ANC headphones, right? They have huge boxes nowadays. Nice. And this is the cable, type A to type C. So guys, here we are. Let's go to the Logi Tune app. Allow notifications, need Bluetooth permissions due to security policy. Okay, allow Bluetooth settings. Let's connect Logi headset. Press and hold the pairing button to enable pairing mode. So there is a pairing button, guys, on the headphones. Let me press that button, and here it is. It's a small button. Press and hold the pairing button. Alright, it blinks continuously. Now I'll go to Bluetooth settings. It's already connected to my watch. Oh, sorry, my bad. Zone Wireless. Let me click this and pair. Awesome. The blinking went away, guys, and let's see. Oh, okay. Just got this. Let's see in the settings. Alright, it's call and audio. Cool. Let's go back, and okay, we already have an update. Let's update this. Update. So after the update, let me get back, guys. Alright, the update is downloaded, and here it says please wait. I think it will install the update now. This could take a few moments. Alright, you're all set and updated. Done. Alright guys, so these are the controls which I see. Zone Wireless says 50% battery left, and noise cancellation on and off button. Equalizer is there, great. default volume boost, bass boost, exact all the settings. Device name, zone wireless, sleep settings. This is something new. Sleep settings 1 hour. Maybe if it's just on the table not using, and if it is turned on, probably it will sleep in 1 hour. Rotate to mute, and yes, of course, the microphone, if you rotate it to the top, it mutes automatically. Side tone is 50%, so whatever, excuse me guys. All right, so whatever you're talking, you hear that back. That is called side tone, so that is approximately 50%. Enable voice prompts, yes. Language is English. Connected devices, this is great thing that it's connected to Vishal S22 Plus. This is my device, and we can also simultaneously connect up to 2 devices. So now I can use that Logi Bolt USB receiver, and I can connect it to my PC as well. Let's go to the settings. We have sign in with work account, support, blah blah blah, so not as much useful. And that's it guys in this Logi Tune app. Guys, that's it for this video. I hope you loved it. It's a very short unboxing video. I'll do a full review later on, but if you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. This is Vishal. Thank you so much, and I'll be back. I'll be back.